Good morning, dear students. Today I shall continue from Act 3rd, Scene 2nd, line 142, Portia's speech. Portia said, "Await then!" Exclamation mark is given. Means Portia is surprised to hear the words spoken by Bassanio. She was shocked. She was shocked. That's why she said, "Away then." Go away, Bassanio, to the casket hall and choose the right casket. But keep in your mind, I am locked in one of them. In the casket hall, there are 3 caskets. And I am locked in one of them, means my photograph is locked in one of the caskets. If you do love me, if you really love me, Bassanio, you will be able to choose the right casket. If you do love me, you will find me out. If you really love me, you will be able to find the right casket. You will be able to choose the right casket. Nerissa and the rest stand all aloof. Portia ordered Nerissa and other attendants to stand all aloof, means to remain out of the way of Bassanio, and she tells them to keep themselves away from the way of Bassanio and let him give the way to reach near the caskets. Let music sound while he doth make his choice. Let music sound while he doth make his choice. Portia orders the musicians to play on the music, to produce sweet music, while the process of choosing the casket is going on by Bassanio. Let music sound while he doth make his choice. Sweet and melodious music should be produced when Bassanio will choose the right casket. Then if he lose, he makes a swan-like end. The Elizabethan believed that the swan sings only once, just before it dies. Portia says that this sweet and melodious music will prove the funeral music for Bassanio if he will not be able to choose the right casket. This music will be the last music for him. That's why here Shakespeare uses the metaphor of swan. Then if he lose, he makes a swan-like end, fading in music. Fading in music. Fading in music means he makes a swan-like end fading in music. Means fading in music will accompany his end like the swan that sings while it is about to die. That the comparison may stand more proper. Proper means complete. If Bassanio does not choose the right casket, this music will prove the funeral music for him. This music will prove the music which is produced at the death of someone. My eyes shall be the stream and watery deathbed for him. Portia says that when he will not be able to choose the right casket, and this sweet and melodious music will be the funeral music for him, at that time my eyes filled with tears shall be the stream and watery deathbed as is the river to the swan. He may win. And what is music then? Then the music is even as the flourish when the true subjects bow to a new crowned monarch. He may win if he will be able to choose the right casket. And what is music then? Means the music which is produced at this time will become the sweet and melodious music which is sung at some celebration, which is sung at some moment of happiness. He may win. And what music is then? Then music is even as the flourish. Flourish means ceremonial fanfare and trumpets customary at the coronation of a monarch. Means this music will prove the music which is produced at the coronation of a monarch. Means if Bassanio chooses the right casket, this music will prove to be the music which is produced at the coronation of a monarch. He will become the Lord of Valmont. He will become the monarch of Valmont, and this music will be a sweet and happy music for him. He may win. And what is music then? Then music is even as the flourish when true subjects bow to a new crowned monarch. True subjects bow to a new crowned monarch, and the condition for Bassanio will be the same as a new monarch is coronated. All the attendants of Valmont will bow their head before Bassanio, because at that time Bassanio will become the Lord of Valmont. He will become my future husband. Such it is as are those dulcet sounds is break of day. Such it is means the music is such that it is, or as those dulcet sounds means sweet sounds in the break of day, at the break of day, that creep into the dreaming bridegroom's ear. Means the music will prove a very melodious and sweet music as the bridegroom is imagining about his bride, and the sweet music is being produced in the house, and that sweet music is going and entering into his ear and giving him happiness. Means the music which is produced by the musicians here in Valmont, that music will prove a sweet music, a dulcet music, a melodious music for him, and summons him to marriage. and that music will call him to marriage. An allusion to the old English custom of playing music under the windows of the bridegroom's bedroom on the morning of his marriage. Now he goes with no less presence. Now he goes, Portia says. Now Bassanio goes. With no less presence means with no less handsome appearance, with much more love. With much more love than young Alcides. Alcides here, Hercules, son of Alcaeus, rescued Hesione, unmarried daughter of the Trojan king, from being sacrificed, a virgin tribute to a sea monster. He acted not for love, but from desire to get the horses offered as a reward. Portia sees herself as Hesione and Bassanio with much more love than Alcides. When he did redeem the virgin tribute paid by howling Troy to the sea monster. Once again see, here Alcides is Hercules, son of Alcaeus, rescued Hesione, unmarried daughter of the Trojan king, from being sacrificed, a virgin tribute to a sea monster. He acted not from love, but from desire to get the horses offered as a reward. Portia compares herself as Hesione and Bassanio with much more love than Alcides. Virgin tribute paid by howling Troy to the sea monster. I stand for sacrifice. Portia, like Hesione, stands as one offered as a sacrifice. I stand for sacrifice. The rest aloof are the Dardanian wives. The rest aloof are the Dardanian wives. The rest aloof means the rest of you, like Nerissa, Graciano, etc., who stand apart, apart means aloof, are the Dardanian wives. They are the Dardanian wives means Trojan women, the descendants of Dardatus, who founded Troy. With bleared visage, with a tear-stained facage, come forth to view the issue of the exploit. They come forth to see the outcome, means the rescue operation, the brave deeds. Means Nerissa, Graciano and Portia's other attendants were seeing very curiously that Bassanio will be able to rescue Portia or not. So that's why they are there with bleared visage means tear-stained facage to see the rescue operation which is being done by Bassanio there. Go Hercules. Here Hercules is Bassanio. She addresses Bassanio as Hercules. Go Hercules, live thou. If you leave, I leave. Portia will leave. If you leave, Portia will leave. With much more dismay. Dismay means alarm. Means she was afraid that if Bassanio will not be able to choose the right casket, then her hope to be the wife of Bassanio will be distorted here. In view the fight Than thou that makest the fray. In view the fight, watch the test. Portia says, stand all aloof and watch the test. Watch the rescue operation that is being done by Bassanio. I view the fight, I watch the test. Then thou that makest the fray, then thou that makest the fray means engage yourself in the fighting. Music, whilst Bassanio comments on the caskets to himself. Music is being produced and Bassanio is going one by one to all the three caskets, and he was reading the captions written there and analyzing the importance of all the three caskets, gold, lead and silver. Song is being sung by the musicians there. Tell me where is a fancy bread? Tell me where is fancy bread? Where is passing affection? Fancy here is passing affection. Tell me where is fancy bread? Tell me where is the passing affection means fancy developed as opposed to real true love, or in the heart or in the head. Love is developed either in the heart or in the head. How begot? How begot? Begot means born. How it is born? How it is originated? How nourished? How it is getting nourishment? How it is getting food? Reply, reply. It is endangered in the eyes. It is endangered in the eyes. It is born. It is conceived in the eyes of the beloved. It is conceived in the eyes of the lover. It is endangered in the eyes with gazing fed. Gazing fed means loving glances. When two lovers are looking in each other's eyes, their love is originated, their love is born, and their love is getting nourishment in the eyes of both the lover and the beloved. With gazing fed and fancy dies. With gazing fed and fancy dies. If it will be real love, then it will remain alive in this world. But if it is fancy, then it will die after some time. With gazing fed and fancy dies, in the cradle where it lies, in the cradle where it lies, it dies in the eyes where it was born. If it is a fancy, it dies there where it was born. But if it is real love, it will remain alive for a long time. Let us all ring fancy's knell. So let us ring the funeral bell for fancy. Let us ring the funeral bell for fancy. It will begin it, ding dong bell. It will begin it. The song seems to give a clue to Bassanio to the correct choice of the caskets. The song apparently has a warning against judging by the eyes alone. This song is an indirect indication to Bassanio that if you will judge through your eyes, if you will judge the casket by seeing the outward attraction of the caskets, then you will not be able to choose the right casket. That is the clue given to Bassanio through that song. So the song apparently has a warning against judging by the eyes alone, judging by outward appearances. So this song is a clear-cut indication to Bassanio that if you will judge by the outward appearances, you will do the same mistake that is repeated by Prince of Morocco and Prince of Aragon. All ding dong bell. Thank you.